subscribe with notifications on.
Any other country, Europe, say. So if you are able to, tomorrow guys, I'll share with you, there's a company, I'll make a video tomorrow to show you, to help you out, how you can, like I think I did a video already, I did a video when I was sharing with you guys on how to travel cheaper, what you can do. This company called MSC Cruises allows you to make a booking. You can make a booking, you only pay 3,000 rand, deposit, and they give you certain days until next year. You can pay, bit by bit. Don't wait for you to have 100,000 because you will never have it. You will never have it. Don't wait for you to have 100,000 rand, you will never have it. So keep on paying bit by bit. By next year, June comes, take your family, fly out. Go to Spain, go to France, go to Germany, go to Italy, go to America, go to Bangkok, go to Dubai. Visit, man. See places. You will never know. Maybe your man is in Dubai. Maybe your husband is in Italy. Maybe your husband is in America. Maybe your husband is in Germany. Maybe your husband is in, you, my man. Maybe your wife is in Germany. Maybe your wife is in Dubai. Maybe your wife is in America. Maybe your wife is in Italy. Maybe your wife is in France. Maybe your wife is in all these type of things. See, guys, open your eyes. Travel, see places. Alright, guys, thank you very much. I hope we are going to speak. We are going to be together as time goes on. We'll keep on posting. I want to make sure I engage with you guys. I want to make sure I give you relevant content. I want to make sure I give you content that is going to be fruitful for you guys. I want to give you tips on how you can change your life. Tips on how you can improve your life. Tips on how you can run away from your job. Tips, guys, it's very easy. Very easy. You can open a website, start buying clothes. There's a company called Yaga. Go to Yaga. Take whatever clothes that you're not using at home. Post them on that website. It's free of charge. Post it on that website. Put your bank account. Start selling your clothes. The clothes that you don't need, start selling them. There's so many clothes, there's so many places that you can sell. Online. You understand? Buy clothes. Go to Shein. Buy clothes in Shein. Let them deliver. You understand? You can even, maybe perhaps have some time, travel. Go to Bangkok. Go to Hong Kong. There's night markets there. You go buy clothes. Come to South Africa. Start selling. Make money. Stop being lazy. Stop complaining about our South Africans, our foreigners who are coming here to hustle. Stop complaining about them. You as a woman, stop this thing of you saying, no, I want to have 5 boyfriends. One boyfriend must give me 2,000 rand. One boyfriend must give me 3,000 rand. One boyfriend must give me 1.5. That's prostitution, man. Live your thing type of life. Be yourself. Do something. Guys, I can't stop talking. We'll talk again tomorrow. Alright? Ciao. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope you'll subscribe and you'll share and you'll like my videos. Alright guys? Thank you so much.